All right, everybody, where are we going right now? I am going to take a follower of mine in Purple Nurple. This is, I think, probably by not even close comparison to probably the fastest thing he's ever been in. But he is going to be leaving on a service mission, and it was his dream to always go in a Lambo. And like you say, he's a friend, but also he's been a great follower. And always supported me. So we're going to go take him for a ride. So let's go ahead and start her up. It's like a fighter jet F-16 right there. Get the windows down because it's absolutely, I'm sweating my freaking honies off. I'm dying. We're going to go ahead and throw it in Corsa, which makes it idle a little higher, which makes it sound even better because the turbo spool even more. We're gonna go ahead and throw the traction control off. So that way DS1 can kick in and we are off. This is honestly one of my favorite parts about having the car. Not only is this car a dream of mine to have, and I feel so fortunate and blessed to be able to have it, but moments like this where I can take people who support, friends, and folks like yourself that are watching these videos, taking you guys out and letting you enjoy this experience and being able to experience this car as well is honestly one of the best things that I love about it, is sharing it with you guys. And ultimately that's what it's about. I'm gonna go ahead and put the front lift up because I'm sweating balls going over this big old deep ravine here. I thought I was gonna be able to make it, and I think I overestimated myself. We're gonna go ahead and let her trickle up. The one downfall that I have with Lambo is if they get a damn lift system that could actually go up in a decent amount of time.
2 hours later.
Okay, nice and easy. Easy does it. Easy does it. Oh, we're three-wheeling. Oh my gosh. Oh, I sweat every time I do that. Go ahead and put her down. No traffic behind me, so we're just taking her nice and easy while we let it go down. It's already down. TC off, and we're off. Those tops never get old. They never get old. But sorry, before I started sweating and before I was trying to not take my front bumper off, this is one of my favorite parts about having the car, is sharing the experience and sharing the car with you guys. And I appreciate you all so much that watch. Do me a favor right now, if you want to see more videos, if you like the content, please go ahead, like, subscribe, share the video, hit it, and help me out. And if we can grow this all together, I just want to keep bringing you guys on for the journey and also share the journey with you guys as well. Those shifts are so crispy. Let's go ahead and give you guys a little bit of an ASMR here. Turn the corner. Oh, easy does it. Gets old. The kid we were picking up is Kyler, and we are almost there, about to pull up. We're gonna see his reaction. We'll see what he thinks, and hopefully send him off on his service mission on a good note. Oh, I think I see him right now. He's right over there on his dirt bike. We'll let him hear it a little bit and gear down. Give him a little taste of what he's got coming. He's just smiling. You gotta hold this and record your reaction. Okay. Holy crap, it is so low. Let's get on there.
crackles like no other.
That's honestly one of my favorite parts. The crackle of it. It never gets old. And then the noises. I can just not even speed.
Oh my goodness.
These roads kind of suck, but this is probably our best bet. Because all the highways got construction and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the fastest I've driven was like a.
Really?
Yeah.
We'll give you a little pinky toe right here.
Holy crap!
That's like a little, just a little push on it.
That is crazy. I feel like that put me more in my seat than my uncle's Tesla.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Get up here over this little hump. I think the road's pretty decent over this hump.
Okay.
Well, when do you start? You going into the Monday?
Yeah, Monday I'm gonna be at home MTC.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Stoked?
I don't know what to expect, so I don't know.
Yeah, I can't even tell you because I haven't heard it. Yeah. An idea. Okay, we should be able to give you a little rip right up here.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that puts you in your seat.
How was that?
That was awesome.
I would do a little bit of brake boost with you and help spool up the turbos and then hit harder. I would do that in my other one.
Yeah.
This is rear wheel drive, so if we do that, we'll just spin.
Oh, dude,
So-
it feels like you're going even faster because how low you are.
Yeah. Well, the crazy thing is with these is they every gear you grab is technically set up, so every gear that you grab, you actually end up going faster the faster you go.
Oh.
So
Okay.
the car builds in more boost every gear that you grab, so it doesn't ever stop having that pulling feeling. Like if we kept grabbing more gears, it'd feel pull harder.
Holy crap.
You could probably feel that when we first took off. It's good, and then even a little more, and then a little more.
Yeah.
We'll give you another rip up here.
This thing's a spaceship.
It's such a blast. I'm trying to start doing some more videos and stuff, so that's why I brought that.
Dude, I watch your
So-
videos. They're pretty good.
Do you?
I like them.
Thanks,
Yeah.
bro. Appreciate it.
You ever get people calling you in a lot?
Calling out?
Yeah,
Oh,
like calling in.
Yeah. Oh, calling in?
Yeah.
Oh.
Kind of something weird.
No, honestly, I keep it pretty tame around here. I keep it to stuff. We'll give you another rip here. Holy crap. That was 45 miles an hour.
Type shit.
That was an insane 45 miles an hour.
45 miles an hour.
Oh my god. This thing is so awesome. Ugh. Dude, the rush it gives me is so
Dude,
insane.
it's like a roller coaster every time. That's why I love it. You never get tired of that feeling.
Yeah. Sheesh.
And when you get back, I'll have this ready for you, and you can just go ahead and buy it.
Oh yeah.
And then you just have her.
Exactly. Sheesh.
How'd that feel compared to the Challenger?
Dude, the Challenger is nothing compared to this thing.
It's kind of a unique feeling. It's different.
Yeah,
Super
definitely.
different.
Like it definitely puts you more in your seat and just keeps pulling and pulling gears.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
That's the crazy thing when you're driving it. It's just you usually expect the car to hit hard and then it lags off. He said it's too slow. Too slow. You're going to Texas, right?
Yeah, Dallas, Texas.
Dude, you're gonna see these cars all over the place.
Dude, I think it'd be so sweet to go what's it called? The Texas.
Texas 2K?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mhm.
That'd be nuts. That'd be cool.
But that'd be cool. Yeah, if I was actually in that area.
Yeah, that would be sweet. You should see a lot of these cars down there. Texas is got so much money down there.
Yeah, maybe not a purple twin turbo.
You'll see some cool stuff though. finished giving Kyler a ride before he heads out for a service mission. Felt super grateful, super blessed to be able to share this experience with him, take him for a ride in the purple Nurple, kind of make a little bit of a dream of his come true. And he's going to do amazing things out there, and I'm so stoked for him and just grateful that I could share this experience with him. And honestly, I want to share this experience with you guys. So anytime you see me, holler, come say what's up, come say hi. I'm going to try and be going to more events and things like that because I'd love to see you guys and let you experience and see the car as well. But that's all for this time. We'll see you guys later.